it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I should probably take these off, there's a glare. Today I want to talk about this hair that I have in my head. This is not a sponsored video. This hair was not sent to me. As you guys know, or you guys probably don't know, I am growing out my natural hair again. Anyone that's followed me on my channel knows that I've gone natural and then I've gone relaxed, cut my hair off, I've been bald. I've had like different hairstyles, but mostly short hairstyles. So I've recently decided that I want to actually let my hair grow. I've actually allowed my hair to grow long enough to put in a protective style. I've let my hair grow long enough to actually style it or do something to it. How about that? I'm not one of those people who's comfortable with putting like fake hair in my head. I feel like when I wear fake hair or when I wear extensions or when I wear anything like that, you can tell that it's fake. Like on other girls, it'll look snatched, it'll look good, and then on me, it look like struggle. It'd be looking like straight struggle. Let me just get into this hair. I've had this hair on my head. I installed it April 30th. I ordered it from a site called Sam Beauty. And the reason that I decided to go with faux locks is I was on Instagram scrolling and I was looking for like natural hair styles for black girls. The one that I was most attracted to was faux locks. So I was like, I'm gonna try and see if I can do this. After watching tutorials of how to install faux locks individually, like crochet install individually, I was like, okay, that looks natural enough. I'm gonna see if I can install this on my head. It was my first time ever installing. I'm gonna see if I can install this on my head and if it'll actually look good and if it actually look natural. And so when I was scouring YouTube looking for the best kind of hair to use, I kept coming across the Bobbi Boss, and people were saying like this hair is the most natural. Girl, don't believe the hype, okay? I'm about to be real. I'm about to be real with y'all, because every single review that I saw said that this is like the most natural looking lock, and that's a freaking lie. When they first come out of the bag, and these are ones, let me see, these are ones that I couldn't install because I couldn't wrap them around my actual hair. First of all, some of them don't even come with the loop, like you have to create a loop, which was annoying and made my install process long. It took me about 6 hours because I don't do my hair. Like, I've always been a lady that goes to the hair salon to get my hair done. I don't do my own hair. I don't be doing my own hair. It's too much. So anyway, plastic. All of y'all that claim that this is like a natural looking, like it's a natural lock, it look natural, lies. Like, don't be on here lying. And I feel like those probably are the same people that get sponsored, same people getting paid to say that this is the most amazing lock. It's not, okay? It's plasticky. It looked like plastic. It's shiny. It's not as shiny when you've worn it for at least a week, but it's shiny. It's not, it don't look like a natural lock like people say it do. We know what locks look like. My suggestion is if you want to get like a fake lock, a cheap bag. I only paid $6.99 a bag. They were on sale. I ordered 4 packs for $6.99, and then I ordered these little jewel situations on to go on my hair, because I was like, I want to be cute. I want to have jewels in my locks too. I didn't get no yarn or nothing because, you know, that's doing too much. I already don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna get yarn for it. So yeah, I ordered my little jewels. It took about 3 or 4 days to get to me, which wasn't bad. I should probably take my hair down so I can see what it looks like. They look okay on camera, okay? They look decent on, it looks decent on camera. But let me go over the quality of this hair first. Okay, so this was one of the ones, like you'll get some of them where you have to make a loop. Like this is not a loop. Like you have to dig your nail in there and then create a loop like this. And by the time you do, can you see that? By the time you do this, you'll screw up this part that's supposed to wrap around your natural braid, and it won't wrap, and it just starts looking like, look. So I busted up a lot of locks. The whole thing looks like skinny like this, which gets into my next thing. I braided up my hair. I don't even know how many locks I have in my head. I didn't count, but my hair only used 3 packs, okay? However many are in 3 packs, that's how many I used. So I braided my hair, and the braids were a little fatter than the width of the actual lock. So I had trouble wrapping my hair around and keeping my hair concealed, which is why my natural hair, and don't mind this, I had my daddy's busted up hairline. So no, I'm not missing no hair. I'm not missing anything. Nothing's missing. I just got my daddy busted up hairline, so whatever. But so yeah, when I braided my hair and then I did the single lock install and then I tried to wrap the lock around my natural hair, it would look good. But then after maneuvering around enough, like I could see my braids start to bust out. So I had to put like the jewels in the front, which I mean, I think it looks cute still. It conceals like my natural hair. These do shed, okay? You run your fingers through them enough, like there is some straight strings in here. You can hear it pulling out. It do shed, but they're not heavy, which is what I like. So my natural hair, my edges, my roots and stuff are not suffering. Easy to wash and easy to dry. I installed it April 30th. Today is, I ain't got the date on my watch, but I'm looking at my watch for it. So how long is that? Almost a month, 3 weeks? I wash my hair once a week or whenever my scalp starts to smell like a foot. Okay, not cute. So in the last 3 weeks, I washed my hair 4 times. When I wash these locks, I focus on the scalp, obviously. And I just put my shampoo in my fingers and I do like this. You know, I ain't gotta give you no tutorial on how to wash your hair. You know how to wash your hair. The only thing is if you have short hair, you gonna risk some locks falling out. My hair is short. Let me give you guys an idea of how long my hair is right now. My hair is longest up here in my crown. In the back, this is like how long it is. Can you see that? It's like this long. So it's pretty short. Hasn't grown out much, but it's way longer than it was because I was bald head. So when locks fell out, I would just normally like just rebraid it. I didn't have any specific, you know, parting after wearing it so long. I had specific parting when I first installed. I don't even do that right now. It's making me tired. I had specific parting when I first installed the locks, but then like when they fall out, I just grab whatever hair is in there and then install and put the lock back. I've been retouching my front because obviously I don't want my front to look like struggle. So I've redone the front like twice because when I wash my hair, I have short hair and it comes loose. It washes fine. It's easy to dry. I wrap the locks in a towel for about 5 minutes while I get dressed or do whatever I do with my face. And then by the time I take it out of the towel, it's dry. They do get a little straggly looking. You ain't even gotta do nothing. You ain't gotta do nothing, it just get a little straggly. I just washed them yesterday. Yesterday was my 4th wash and I have to take them out. And I don't want to because I'm enjoying not having to fiddle with my real hair much. My real hair, like, who has time? I'll walk around with these busted locks for as long as I can because I don't feel like it. I really don't want to order more of this hair, to be honest. I actually want to research more and find out what locks look most natural, but what made me buy these is I saw so many tutorials and I saw talk about them. And when she talked about them, I was like, okay, if she's saying that they're the bomb, then they have to be the bomb. But girl, bye. These locks look like they was made with the 99-cent pack of hair, the yaki that we use for box braids. It looked like they took the yaki and then spinned it and then made a lock. That's what this looked like. And when it start getting like real frizzy, when it starts unraveling, that's exactly what it looks like. It's plastic, it's shiny, okay? It won't look decent until after a week or 2 or after your first wash, then it'll start to look like an actual lock. That's the only con I have. I wish they had a loop. That's another con. They don't have the loop. You have to create the loop. And that's it. I don't know what else to say about it. Obviously, I installed with a crochet needle. My first time using one on my own. It was easy. It wasn't hard. I probably did my own tutorial how I did it, or probably not. There's so many on YouTube. But yeah, individual crochet install. If you're looking for a cheap way out and you don't care about the hair being shiny, and you want something lightweight, then get Bobbi Boss new locks. Otherwise, look for something else that looks more natural. Spin the coin, okay? Because it looked fake. It looked plasticky. I thought I was gonna be out here looking natural. I don't. It's okay though, because I don't want to fiddle with my hair. So that's my review on the Bobbi Boss locks. Bobbi Boss locks. If I can't find anything else, then I think this is the most, how about this? The most natural, cheap pack of lock you can get. That's this. But it don't look like no natural lock. Don't let these people out here fool you, because it don't. But I mean, it's not terrible. If you're on a budget and you want your locks, girl, get you some Bobbi new locks because you might love it. I like the formation of them. They're all shaped different, I guess you could say. I think they're all woven different, which is cool. But look, you see how it's sticking like that? That's how it's going to be in your head. And when you run your fingers through it, you might be pulling out hair. Which I guess if you don't mind, then get you some. $6.99 a pack. I'll leave a link in the bottom bar of where I got these from. Like I said, I'm not sponsored, not getting paid, giving you my honest review. If I can't find anything better, then I'll probably wind up getting these again. They're lightweight, they don't hurt my head. I can wear my hair up in a high bun and be chilling, not tripping. If you have short hair, my suggestion if you have short hair is get these jewels, because your hair might come busting out unexpectedly and you're gonna be looking like, who did what for? Don't do it no more. Just get the jewels anyway because they're cute. Yeah, so if you guys have any suggestions on faux locks that look natural, like in the comments section, share with me if you've worn faux locks. If you have worn faux locks, what kind of faux locks did you wear and how did you like it? Initially, when I installed my faux locks, I wanted to do a faux lock bob, but then by the time I installed these, I was scared that if I cut them that they would like unravel on my head, so I was just like, I'm not gonna do that. I don't have the expertise, or you know, I don't know anything about doing that, so yeah. I'm about to go put these locks back in the back of my head because I just washed these and my locks fell out, so yeah. Okay, that's all I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions for me, if you just want to say what's up to me, leave me some love in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! There. I wish I could see it in real life. They're still cute. If I can't find like a better quality lock, I probably would still rock these just because I don't want to deal with my hair. I'm not dealing with my hair. I'm not doing it.